Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, October the 10th. And I don't know about you guys, but this year has flown by. I cannot even believe we are already in October. So let's jump in, starting off with our clearance markdowns. We have our insecticides going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, October the 10th. And here's a look at all the items that are included in this category. We do have a total of 7 different items for our insecticides. Again, they're going down to 70% off. So there's a look at the item, the UPC, and the regular price, along with the little description. So we have 3 different pick products. We also have the little buggable wristbands. We also have the Raid Ant Barrier and the Spectricide Wasp and Hornet Spray, along with the Off Deep Woods 2-pack. Alright, moving on into our next category, we have our sun care items going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, October the 10th. Now for this category, you guys are going to see some of these items have 2 slides. So I took the screenshot from the Dollar General app, and then I've also taken pictures for you all in store. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and get into our penny list for this week at Dollar General. And yes, we do have a penny list. So please do not forget that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. The employees are actually supposed to remove these items from the sales floor. That way we can't buy them. But if they are left on the sales floor, that is good for us because we can purchase them. It is in the penny policy, but we're not going to ask the employees because that will send off a big red flag that you're in there penny shopping. So all you need to do is watch this video, look for the items that I'm going to show you all, go into your local Dollar General store, look for those items. If you spot any of them, scan them with your Dollar General app, make sure you have your correct store location set, and if that item scans and the price shows up as 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. And I have posted the penny policy on our community tab if anybody needs it. So first up on our penny list for this week at Dollar General, we have our reusable face mask going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, October the 10th. Now again, I didn't put together visuals for this list, but here's the itemized list of all the items along with the UPCs. So if you guys do want to look those up, feel free to do that. Now also going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, October the 10th, we have the Hanes face mask. Again, going down to 1 penny. So here's a quick little picture that I took in store, but we do have some specific UPCs that you're going to want to be on the lookout for. These are the Hanes Kids Face Mask 5 count in black, gray, and white. Now, unfortunately, when you type in the UPC, it's not going to show a picture in the app for you all, but it should be in the similar packaging that I showed you all in the picture. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have our freezer bars going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, October the 10th. Here's a look at all the items that are included in this category. I believe we have a total of 5. So we have the Fun Pops, we have 2 of the big boxes of Pop Ice freezer bars. The UPC code is on your screen, and then we also have both of the Weiler's Italian Ices. All of those will be a penny starting on Tuesday. Alright guys, now before you all go, I do have a quick little update to share with you all, because in my last video, I said, stay tuned. I'm going to have about 3 videos up for you all over the next couple of days. Well, yesterday I ran into all kinds of technical issues. My internet was super slow. I could not figure out what was going on. So, unfortunately, I had to scrap my 5 off 25 scenario video. I honestly did not believe that one was going to upload in time, so I decided to move on to our clearance and penny list, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I don't have any issues with this video going up. But I do want to let you all know that next week I'm going to get back on our regular schedule. I know that several people were asking about the 5 off 25 videos, and I haven't done away with them or anything like that. It's just been kind of crazy with all of these clearance events and visuals and all of those things, but we will get back on track. And I'll definitely have some 5 off $25 scenarios ready to go for you all next week. So make sure that you all stay tuned. I still have several videos to put out this weekend. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.